Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert footnotes in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert footnotes in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Footnote menu. Here the footnote will appear below here. Now next please type the footnote that you will insert. This feature is used to add footnotes in Google Docs on a computer, helping to insert additional references or information without disturbing the main text. So that's it, tutorial how to insert footnotes in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.